From being an advisor to the Delhi government to becoming a key face of the cabinet in the absence of senior AAP leaders, Chief Minister designate Atishi's ascent in the party and the government is believed to be phenomenal and meteoric. The 43-year-old will hold the distinction of being only the third woman after Sushma Swaraj and Sheila Dikshit to become the Chief Minister of the national capital. She was unanimously chosen as Chief Minister designate during the AAP Legislature Party meeting on Tuesday.
आम आदमी पार्टी के सारे विधायक, दिल्ली के 2 करोड़ लोग इस मुहिम में जुट गए हैं कि आने वाले चुनाव में अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को मुख्यमंत्री बनाना है। लेकिन जब तक चुनाव नहीं होता, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने भरोसा कर मुझ पर ये जिम्मेदारी दी है और आने वाले कुछ महीने तक, जब तक ये जिम्मेदारी मेरे पास है, तब तक मेरे 2 काम रहेंगे। एक, ये मुहिम चलाना कि कैसे अरविंद केजरीवाल जी और दिल्ली के हम लोग मिलके दिल्ली के लोगों के साथ अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को फिर से दिल्ली का मुख्यमंत्री बनाएं। और जब तक चुनाव नहीं होते, तब तक दिल्ली के लोगों की रक्षा करना कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी षड्यंत्र रचकर दिल्ली के लोगों की बिजली, फ्री बिजली, अच्छे स्कूल, मोहल्ला क्लिनिक में इलाज बंद ना कर दे, ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी रहेगी। और उसी के लिए आज हमने एलजी साहब को पत्र दिया है, सरकार बनाने की दावेदारी का पत्र दिया है।
Atashi currently holds the most number of portfolios in the Delhi cabinet, serving as the Minister of Finance, Water, Education, Public Works, Power, Revenue, Planning, Services, Law, Vigilance, and other key departments. The AAP leader has played a crucial role in maintaining the party's stability, particularly during the imprisonment of Kejriwal and other senior leaders. As Delhi's third woman chief minister, Atishi follows in the illustrious footsteps of Sheila Dikshit and Sushma Swaraj. Dikshit remains a key figure in Delhi's political history as the longest serving chief minister of the state and the longest serving woman chief minister in India, leading the Congress to 3 consecutive electoral victories. Swaraj, a senior BJP leader, served briefly as the 5th Chief Minister of Delhi in 1998 before resigning to focus on national politics. Other notable female chief ministers in India include Mehbooba Mufti, who served as the 9th Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mayawati, who served as the 18th Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Rabdi Devi, the 21st Chief Minister of Bihar, and Jayalalitha, the 5th Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu.